Hello, welcome to the Orbital Mining and Manufacturing Group Indiegogo campaign. My apologies for the low quality of sound and the slideshow aspect, but my tools are limited and I do what I can with what I have. This project's goal is to establish a mining outpost at a near-Earth asteroid. Utilizing the Falcon 9 line of rockets to launch our modules and equipment, Bigelow Aerospace's inflatable modules, and other off-the-shelf components, we hope to build a prototype station in low Earth orbit to test out equipment and techniques before we then establish a mining outpost at one of the near-Earth objects. We expect to mine and refine various materials found on the asteroid, such as steel in either ingot form or in manufactured goods that could be shipped to Earth. Precious metals such as silver, gold, and platinum, as well as various rare earth elements that could be sent back to Earth. The outpost itself will be modular in form, not necessarily in this configuration, but contained within it machinery such as a furnace for smelting and casting of materials, drill press, lathe, and other machinery that you would find in a normal metal shop. The station will also include a bioregenerative life support system to reduce resupply needs while also reducing costs. The system will include plants that would be not uncommonly found in a normal backyard greenhouse. Once the tools and systems are in place, we can utilize material from the asteroid to begin expanding operations at the outpost. It is my goal to form a partnership among industry leaders in areas such as mining and refining, manufacturing, engineering, electronics, chemistry, agriculture, and aerospace technologies. You'll have to pardon the background noise. It just started raining, which is a perfect segue into our next section. I live up on a mountain. Not this specific mountain, but a mountain. It's completely off-grid. No power lines, no phone lines, no water lines, no sewer lines. It's pretty far away from the nearest town, which makes it rather difficult to resupply. In many ways, this is a mild analogy to having a space station in low Earth orbit. The resources you can utilize on site means that you have less requirements for resupply. Because I'm so far away and off-grid, I need some infrastructure upgrades to be able to start this project. Firstly, I need to upgrade my solar system. At the moment, I only have capacity for 200 watts and a very small battery bank. So getting an upgrade to at least 800 watts and a larger battery bank, as well as a robust charge controller and a decent inverter, is primary to getting this project started. Though there are no phone lines up here, I do need a cell phone. There is a cell phone tower that's pingable from areas of the property. I don't need the most advanced smartphone with the coolest apps. Just being able to call in, receive incoming calls, having voicemail, and possibly texting. Satellite internet will also be important so I can update the website and keep you informed with the progress of the project. Acquiring a decent video camera so I can document some of our progress as well. A 3D printer will also be important so we can do some prototyping as well as some other projects. It could be a Replicator 2 or a Mendel RepRap or possibly the new XYZ printer. I plan to also build a furnace so I can begin experimenting with casting as well as possibly smelting. A charcoal furnace would be easier, but having an induction furnace would be pretty cool too. The 3D printer would allow me to print more complex blanks for sandcasting. If you'd like more information on this project, please visit us at orbitalmmg.org. Thank you very much for your interest in this project. And always, stick around to the end of the credits. There's often a little Easter egg.